Welcome back to our channel where we help you prepare for life's unexpected moments. Today we're diving into a crucial aspect of everyday readiness, building a family emergency communication plan. In any emergency, communication is key. Knowing how to reach your loved ones and where to meet can make all the difference. Let's explore why having a communication plan is essential. Step-by-step guide to creating a communication plan. First, identify the methods you'll use to communicate. This can include cell phones, landlines, email, social media, and messaging apps. Next, establish a list of emergency contacts. Include family members, neighbors, and local emergency services. Ensure everyone in the family has a copy. Designate a meeting place outside your home and a secondary location outside your neighborhood in case you can't return home. Create a detailed written plan. Include your communication methods, emergency contacts, and designated meeting places. Share this plan with all family members. Regular practice is crucial. Conduct family drills to ensure everyone knows the plan and feels confident in an emergency. Here are some tips for effective communication during emergencies. Text instead of call to avoid congested networks. Keep phone batteries charged. Use social media to check in as safe. Have backup power sources like portable chargers. For more information on creating emergency communication plans, check out the links in the description. We've included templates and resources to help you get started. By taking the time to create and practice a family emergency communication plan, you'll be better prepared to protect your loved ones when it matters most. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on everyday readiness.